Residents of St. Cuthbert's Mission benefited from training in conflict resolution and consensus building to better solve issues within the community.
During a one-day workshop hosted by the Ministry of the Presidency's Department of Social Cohesion, the participants were exposed to conflict resolution and consensus building methods aimed at improving their communication skills and assisting in the establishment of a conflict resolution framework. Minister of Social Cohesion, the Honorable Dr. George Norton, said St. Cuthbert's Mission has developed, but there are still some areas that require improvement. Therefore, the department has returned to offer direction.
Sometimes we know what the problem is, we know what is causing the problem, we know how to solve the problem, but we're not getting it done. And you need guidance. We are prepared to give you that guidance.
Tashao Beverly Clycan told InfoHub that she welcomes the workshop and hopes similar interventions are held in the community in the future.
The workshop sensitized most of the villagers. And I'm happy for that so far because in this village, at some point in time, we faced conflicts. And most of us didn't realize what are some of the things, the negative things could bring about to this community.
In addition to this, the minister announced that a music teacher will be deployed to St. Cuthbert's Mission on August 1 to host a workshop to instruct the young people how to play the musical instrument in the village. For InfoHub, Anara Khan.